Welcome to XteVision. My name is Steve Ryman. I'm a multimedia engineer by training, a VFX artist by trade, and a tool builder by obsession. Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of an entire ecosystem of software that I built to answer one question. What would software look like if you designed it for ownership first? I'll show you the architecture, the design decisions, the real-world use cases. Let's dive in.
Prodigy Engineer is the heart of the XteVision ecosystem. It's a self-hosted visual node-based AI workflow builder. Current version is 1.3, and it runs on a single Python server with a PostgreSQL database. Let me tell you what it does and, more importantly, why it exists. When you open Prodigy Engineer, you see a blank canvas. On the top, a toolbar with 28 built-in node types. You drag nodes onto the canvas, connect them, configure them, and run them. The output of one node feeds into the input of the next. The nodes are not just for data processing. They include AI nodes that connect to local models running on MLX, Ollama, LM Studio, or Copilot. Wisdom nodes that interface with a persistent PostgreSQL knowledge base long-term memory that persists across sessions. Web nodes that fetch URLs, search the web via searching, or automate browser interaction via Playwright. Document nodes that extract text from PDF, Word, Excel, PPTX, and CSV files. PLC nodes that interface with industrial control systems, including OpenPLC Bridge for structured text programming. Logic nodes for conditional branching, timing, and flow control. A math processor for numerical operations, and an exit node to terminate workflows. Let me walk you through a real example. Say you want to build an AI research assistant that monitors industry news and stores insights in a knowledge base. You drag an input node onto the canvas. Connect it to a searching node. That's a searching meta engine instance running locally on your network, completely private. Configure the search query. Connect that to a fetch URL node that retrieves the full article content. Connect that to an AI node running a local model on MLX. The AI node analyzes the article. Then you connect its output to a wisdom node which stores the analysis in PostgreSQL. And finally, you connect that to a notification node that sends you a summary via email or Telegram. 5 nodes, 5 connections. A fully automated research pipeline that never touches the cloud. The dashboard routes requests intelligently. Private data routes to local AI first. Public queries can use any backend. You configure this in a simple JSON file. Sometimes you don't need a visual canvas. Sometimes you need a code editor, and that's where XteVision Coder comes in. XteVision Coder is a professional browser-based coding workstation. It's a self-hosted IDE that combines the Monaco editor, the same engine that powers V's Code, with an AI chat system, live preview, integrated terminal, and multi-root workspace management. But unlike V's Code, Cursor, or any other cloud-connected IDE, XteVision Coder has 0 cloud dependencies. Every feature works on a machine with no internet connection. When I'm working on a bug fix, I can describe the problem to the AI, and it will search through the code, identify the relevant files, and propose a fix. I review the changes in the diff view, approve them, and move on. This is local AI-assisted development. No data leaves my network. No code is sent to a third-party API, and the model is always available, no internet required.
My name is Steve Ryman. This is XteVision. Subscribe and like. See you in the next episode.